Hello dear students, it is the summary of the poem The Rebel. This poem is written by DJ Enright. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow. It means rebel can do anything. In this poem, DJ Enright depicts that rebel can do anything but not what others do. He does odd things. He rebels. He is against the norms of the society. Okay. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow. It means जब सब लोग अपने बाल छोटे रखते हैं तो वो अपने बाल बढ़ाता है. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair. In every instances, in every examples, we will show that rebel is just doing things opposite to others. Okay, the rebel doesn't say a word when nobody talks during the lesson. The rebel creates disturbance when everybody wears a uniform. The rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the above examples, we say that rebel just goes opposite to the normal people in the society around us. The rebel dresses soberly in the company of dog lovers. The rebel expresses a preference of cats. When we show love towards dogs, he expresses his feelings for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When we welcome the rain, जब हम बारिश का स्वागत करते हैं तो rebel को सूरज की कमी महसूस होती है. वो इसमें पोइट ने हर एक जगह इसकी एग्जाम्पल दी है that he does the odd things, just not what we are doing. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It's very good, but that we have rebels, you may not find it very good to be one. So this is not the story of a political activist, is that an activist doing something for the society, but it is an ordinary man of a young age who is going out against the norms of the society. DJ Enright has shown this a young boy or a girl or a student not following the general norms of the society. Here is a summary of the poem. The poem The Rebel describes the character of a rebel, a person who does not conform to the norms of a society. The rebel एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जो कि समाज के नियमों के विरोध करता है. The rebel is described as a person who would contradict others in order to be different, जो कि contradict करता है, अलग होना चाहता है बाकी लोगों से. The character of the rebel in the poem is not of an political activist but seems to be a character sketch of a young adolescent trying to be different. वो कुछ अलग हटके करना चाहता है बाकी लोगों से. इस पोइट ने ऐसा कैरेक्टर इस पोएम के द्वारा हमें दर्शाया है. All the instances in the poem are repetitive affirmations of this fact. सभी जो एग्जाम्पल्स दिखाए हैं उसने ये प्रूव करने के लिए दिखाए है दैट द रिबल एट एवरी टाइम इज डूइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ ए रिबल सीज ए ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल with short hair, he would let his hair grow long. अगर सब लोग अपने बाल छोटे कर देते हैं तो वो बढ़ा देता है. On seeing others with long hair, the rebel would cut short his hair. Seeing everybody talking during the lesson, the rebel would become absolutely mute. जब सब बोलेंगे वो चुप रहेगा. On realizing that everybody is silent, the rebel would create a disturbance. Similarly, on various such issues, the rebel would be seen contradicting. हर एक उदाहरण में हम देखेंगे कि वो हमसे अलग. In short, we may say he would do anything but not what others are doing. So this is a summary of the poem The Rebel. Students, please note it in your notebook and learn it. Thank you. Have a nice day.